viewers, I'm Kajol and you're watching Tech Passport, and today I'm going to show you TP-Link Archer AXE300 router firmware overview and how to set up it. Here you can see the website. From here this router AXE16000 quad-core system stream Wi-Fi 6E router with two 10G port. Oh my god, router with 10G port, it's unbelievable. Okay, then you can see here the router interface. This router faces here. You can see this is a jumbo jet router, look like a jumbo aircraft. Okay, then you can see here there is a 210 gig port. It's really unbelievable, 210 gig port. Okay, then you can see here 10G WAN port is also 10G, and 2.5G LAN and WAN port, and here is USB reset key, power on off, and 10G combo. You can use SFT or LAN port. It's really awesome, unbelievable. Okay, then here you can see here the router others configuration details: 6 GHz band and 1 mesh, VPN client, home shared router, 2.0 GHz quad core CPU with 1 GB RAM. Okay, then 2 Gbps port, that is all nice configuration, and VPN client supporting your router directly support with VPN. And here is home shared for child security, and here you can see the nice box back. Okay, then you can see here after the unbox the router, you can see here like this, and that's all. So let's go to here directly the user interface. Okay viewers, then you can see here we are logging the router, and after login this router asks me with the TP-Link ID and password, and after if don't I have or you have, then you must be set up from here. You can select here, and you can select the country, email address, password, confirm password. Then you can set up the ID password or TP-Link ID here. Then you can log in here, and this router wants to be update the firmware also, and auto update later. I'm clicking auto update later. Okay, then you can see here the router user interface here. So today I'm going to show you only this router setup from the basic internet connection. Okay, then first you can see here the internet, and we are going to directly hit the advanced menu. Just clicking the advanced. Okay, I'm clicking the advanced, and you can see here after clicking the advanced, here is the router status, connectivity status, and this router connected with now in dynamic mode. This is the basic mode in router to router connection, or the DHCP client. You can directly plug and play the router to router, then or router to your server. Then if the server throw dynamic IP, then the router connection automatically. But if your ISP throw the PPPoE or static IP, then you should configure it manual. So now we are going to set the internet connection. So viewers, you can see here 2 port for the incoming connection or WAN connection. Selected here the 10 Gbps WAN LAN and 10 Gbps SFT LAN. Okay, whatever your connectivity throw from your operator, you can select from here. Okay, then if your operator select PPPoE, then you can your operator give you a username and password. Right here username and right here the password, and connect with this your operator. If your operator give you the IP address, then here you can see the IP address or MAPI or PPT and others. Then I am going to show you another option is here. Then you can set here your static IP address. If your operator give you IP address with subnet mask with default gateway and DNS, Then you set here first IP address here, then subnet mask here, then gateway here, and then primary DNS here, and then connect. Your router will be connected with your operator. Then second option, here you can see LAN. Here is your local area networking. LAN means local area network. So here this is the local area network connection IP. If you want to change your local area connection IP address, then you can change here. And then here is the IPTV connection. If your service operator offered you IPTV, then you just click it enable, and directly LAN connected with your IPTV box. DHCP server. Here is a DHCP server. This DHCP server means if you can select how much IP you can allocate with your router, from 10 IP or 20 IP or 2 IP. If you start from 100 and you can set here 100.02, then DHCP server only connected with 2 devices. I think you understand it. Here you can see how much device here is connected, and here is you can see here the DHCP client list also here. Viewers, you can now I am going to show you dynamic DNS. Here is the service provider TP-Link, no IP and DNS. Dynamic DNS means you can connect with your router from anywhere. You can see your router status from anywhere with the dynamic DNS. I will show you that option is later individual video with sometimes later or another video. Routing. Here is the basic routing option with this router. If you expert with routing, then you can access this option and you can know it very easily. Here is lot of option with this router: TP-Link ID, wireless connection. Here is the basic Wi-Fi setup option. If you want to change your network name or SSID, then you can change here the SSID from here. Here you can change your Wi-Fi password. Just remember, if you want to change your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, then directly come with wireless setting, and then you can change here the Wi-Fi name, and here is the password to change the Wi-Fi password. Do not need to change anything else from here. This leave as it is. And then here you can see here the guest network. If you want to enable guest network for your home incoming guest, then you can enable this option. Then your guest will be you can share your network with your guest. Wi-Fi schedule. If you want to start on off schedule with time, then you can enable it. I think that's not necessary for normal people. And if you use it in your office and you want to schedule your office time with Wi-Fi, then you can use it, this option. Basically, we are always turn off this WPS, because of if you turn on this WPS option, then your router might be probably get the hacker get your password from WPS option. So in my case, I am suggest you turn off this option. In this router have USB storage device option. So if you connect your router with any USB device like USB hard drive, USB pen drive, mesh storage device or anything, then you can connect with Windows Samba, local FTP, Internet FTP and local SFTP with directly connected with IP address. You can see here the IP address connected with the Internet FTP protocol. Viewers, here is a lot of option. If I am going to explore one by one, then this video is going to be a large with 1 hour. So I am going to short with this video. So you can see here basic setup configuration is done. Then you can see here net forwarding. If you want to know about net forwarding, then search with Google, then you can use the networking home shield. Here is this option for your child blocking the website. Here is a security option, and if you see, here is a VPN client option. Here is a VPN server, IPv6, smart life assistant, and lot of more function. So viewers, today that's all. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.